presenting
all similarities to real persons and events are purely coincidental.
a comedy of errors. Today we will talk about serious geopolitics and markets. This was supposed to be an ordinary, peaceful stream. This was supposed to be an... Hello, John. I am fully prepared for serious topics. So, the market situation in the world is... Imando.
Are you really back to trolling my stream again, Monko? Dramaturgy escalates sharply. Trolls in Sharply! You again? You won't ruin my stream today!
I will clean up here.
Hey, I can't see anything. Leave my camera alone.
Total professionalism, John.
You will never wash me off here!
My new shirt! What a lack of culture!
Since nobody is listening to me anyway, I give it an 8 out of 10 for mop choreography.
Grunt! I have finally bested you!
Triumph of chaos! When examining the core visual of the heartland theory, one must consider the impact of supply lines.
Revenge is crystal clear!
Oops, I guess this is the end of my grunting.
And it shines! Mission successful. Order restored.
Well, that was all from today's Geopolitics.
What? Where? What was I actually talking about?
As I was saying, global markets operate on a cycle of constant shift.
All right, everyone, let's keep this hype going! Wait, what is happening with the count? Is this a glitch? Guys, drop a comment!
Crowd enthusiasm dropped.
I'm gonna make some new tea. Bye.
Tomorrow I invite you to... well, never mind. And thus ends another internet debate. Project and production prepared specially for you.